One of the best investments you can make for your mobile devices is a good charging cable. We charge our devices all the time. We take them with us wherever we go for traveling or for work. So today we're going to look at a cable that is the cable of all cables because it is virtually indestructible.
Right, we're looking at the Logiix Piston Connect Flex Steel USB-C cable, and this is great because you can take this anywhere and it's so durable.
Not only is it durable, Sherry, you'll notice that it does have this kind of metal backing on it, this alloy that allows it to give two things. One, you get protection, and two, you get the flexibility of being able to shape this in any way you want. It's actually really fun for kids to kind of get creative while they're charging their devices. Sherry mentioned this is the USB-C version, but you can also get a micro USB version and also a Lightning, depending on what kind of device that you're using. What I really like about this, though, is it is virtually indestructible. This is like the one cable you need, and because it's thick, it's actually quite heavy too, hey, Sherry?
Yeah, it has a weight in your hands, but I mean, this is not something that you're going to be carrying with you like wherever you go. It's more for kind of staying at home type of thing, or leaving it in your office. Because it's so durable, you want to be able to use this every single day. And like this is all of my cables start fraying after they eventually do. So I think if I had this one, that won't happen.
One of the recommendations, what I like about this one's actually 5 feet long, so it's quite large. One thing I always recommend people do is if you like to be on your smartphone while you're sitting on the couch, is you put this through your couch, get it charging, and then you can have your phone charging, and you can even shape it so it stays up while you're watching TV. Again, if you are looking for a cable to charge all cables, this is a good one to do. You'll notice, though, if you rub your hand on it, there's a little sticker on here, and that tells you not to wrap this around the charging cable or the plug or your charging cable. And the reason is it can be dangerous, but you do have the flexibility options of shaping any which way you want. Again, it's from the friends over at Logiix. This is their Flex Steel cable, USB-C version.